Right, assalamu alaikum everyone. So welcome back to this paper update at the moment, and we saw a little bit of a push down that scared a lot of people. And the question is Bonk about to go down because of this? Right, I know it feels kind of like the market is shaky and things are pumped up enough for us to believe that the market can actually come down. But anyways, number one is we won a technical target of 2726, which I've told you previously. But as far as Bonk goes, here are my comments. But before that, I want to ask you if you missed Bonk, if you missed Pepe, if you missed Shib, if you missed Dodge. I did actually give private members, and by private I mean people who paid me to be on my channel on Discord. Back 9 months ago, we were doing some researches on which coin we have to buy. I did used to look at Bonk, but I never got into it. But still, I ended up getting Shib, Pepe, not Pepe, sorry, but SOPs and various other stuff. Now, long story in short, out of 9 coins, 8 already moved. They're already pumping. So there's still one in our long term bag that I want to give away for free. It's just because of how our good mode is right now. Our mode is so good. So that one coin has not moved just yet. It's almost like how you may even get bonk, as a matter of fact, down here, down right over here. Do you see that right over here? So if you hold it long term, you may see some ups and downs, but just hold it for some few weeks because it has broken up, it has retested, and it's still down. It hasn't moved just yet. Bitcoin moved and this hasn't moved. On Bitcoin that was down at 16,000, this one is still at the very same price, and even though Bitcoin is at 61. So when you come to the when you scroll down and click on Discord here, when you join, go to announcement, click my name, say you came from the Bonk video. So tell me the name of the coin, Adam, and that's pretty much it. So right now Bonk is still holding pretty well. I think Bonk is still going to go up to 3443. Now reason being is what happened here is even more perfect to push Bonk back up. Why? When you retested with these candles right over here, you had a successful retest. What happened is a lot of people have their stop losses set like that. And what do? You come down, you take the stop, and then you actually finally push to the upside. So this is actually probably the perfect entry to enter Bonk. Let's just hope it doesn't go down. So maybe your new stop loss is down at 1911. So we don't see Bonk getting down towards that particular price level. We've seen Bonk doing this previously as well. So if you notice, you had another pattern like this. You had your stop losses right over there when you pumped up, and then you took the stop loss and then you pushed up. So very, very similar situation. Stop losses here, take the stop out, and then move to the upside. That's pretty much it for the video, and I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.